Alright, so as the title says, Converse sent me a pair of shoes, the Chuck Taylors. Shout out Converse, thank you guys. So of course, me being me, naturally I'm gonna customize them, you know what I mean? Because I don't know, I just felt like I had to. So yeah, this pretty much just gonna be like a speed video of me creating the shoes. It probably took me about 2 to 3 days to put these together, mainly because the stitching was like by hand, so it was just taking so long. But yeah, I had fun doing this, and here's the process of it. So this is version 1. I made 2 versions. Originally, everything was going to be combined, the pockets and the white stitching, but I didn't really like how it looked, so I just did one with white stitching, and then I did one with the pocket design. For the pockets, I just cut up some cargo utility shorts, and I just cut the pockets down to size. That's kind of just what I visualized. I guess you could say it's like a utility vibe, but that's not really what I was going for. I just wanted like rough edges on it, basically.
Ain't gonna time to the pain, so get the f*** on my face, chasing nuts, now right ahead to the sense, there's nothing here you can fix, that money couldn't resist, said con el tren, I'm back here in my zone. She wanna vibe, lit on the pipe, I ain't got time, I ain't got time, I ain't gon' lie, inviting me. Shawty be looking enticing, she acting up like she likes me, playing my palm, moving lightly. Hop in the set, hop in the big body, I'm on the next, taking my time and my eyes on protect. It's slow like you're moving off tech. I want the gold and I want the green. I want the red and blue patty fillet. New to the stage, but I'm hot on the scene. Cuff on your hips like it's hide and seek. Going way too fast, there ain't no slowing down. God knows I've been patient, I gotta floor it down. I ain't gotta say, I'm gonna hold it down. Hold it down, hold it down. How can they see? Trust, ain't seen shit. Hop in the coupe and I hop in the jet. Lay low, I can be seen. I put my money, I vote to be seen. I put blood, sweat, all for the team. Pack it and chop it and do it again. Choices I made to get by any means, Giving live next. Balenciaga such a flex. I wanted something flashy to impress. Big crib, I wanna stretch. I don't know what is next for me. I just know I don't need nobody. Lay low, ignoring text. Cause I don't wanna have to stress. She wanna vibe, lit on the pipe, I ain't got time, I ain't got time, I ain't gon' lie, inviting me. Shawty be looking enticing, she acting up like she likes me, playing my palm, moving lightly. Hop in the set, hop in the big body.
Alright, so that's pretty much a rack. That's a wrap. I was gonna add one more pocket to the tongue, or do you know one of those straps that holds belts, just to hold up the ropes. But I think the shoe already looks good. I don't necessarily need to do that. Maybe I might add that later. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comments below. If you like the video, I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more like this. And yeah, I'm going to add a few more touches to the shoe, then I'm going to post it on Instagram.
But every day is getting harder and harder till I put my life on the line. Another one see me give up on all my G's, but they can't stop me from shining. I'm in her voices, it's telling me they don't like me. Head full of noise, I tell her just leave me my lonely. Please let it take over me, yeah. Let me die, it's all a dream, yeah. Can't close my eyes when I sleep.
She wanna vibe, lay down the pipe, I ain't got time, nah, I ain't got time, nah, I ain't gon' lie, nah, inviting me. Shawty be looking enticing, she acting up like she likes me. Playing my part, moving lightly. Let me die.